What's going on with it, YouTube? It's your boy Rebuke coming back at you on this lovely, lovely Thursday, man. And I seen this story, and it was courtesy of, I guess it's Face of America, I believe. Face America. But man, this story was just like, I couldn't believe that a cop would be mad enough to do this. Check this out. Police sergeant earning six-figure salary accused of stealing $15 in cough medicine. That's right. Shout out to Stephen for bringing us the story. A New York police sergeant, Sergeant Rayna Madho, who earned over $200,000 last year, has been suspended without pay by the NYPD after being arrested for allegedly stealing $15 worth of cough medicine. I guess she wanted to get her lean on, huh? The 41-year-old was charged with 2 counts of petty larceny for incidents occurring on December 7th and November 24th at a Target store in Valley Stream, as reported by the New York Daily News. Madho, who is accused of stealing Zarbee's cough syrup, $9.99, and Ricola cough drops, $4.99, in the fiscal 2024 year, she earned $201,625, which included a base salary of $126,211 and $54,939 in overtime, and $20,475 in additional pay. Now, stop right there, folks. You mean to tell me that Miss Madho didn't and what a last name, huh? Miss Madho. Man, I told you that hoe was mad. Look, you mean to tell me she did not have enough money to buy that? You making that much money and you stealing when you supposed to be a law officer that's upholding the law. You cannot make it up. Madho, who joined the Special Investigations Unit Photographic Squad on March 25, 2022, has been suspended without pay. An NYPD spokesperson declined to comment further on the case, but confirmed that she had been suspended. Man, what a dum-dum. Madho has a history in detective squads in the 7th and 13th precincts and 2 Brooklyn commands. She has been involved in 5 civil lawsuits that settled for a total of $161,000, as reported by 50/A.org. Her controversial past includes a 2015 incident where footage showed her allegedly planting a pill bottle on motorist Abdul Pullman, leading to a $7,500 settlement. Madho joined the NYPD in January 2006, was promoted to detective and sergeant in 2013, and became a detective squad commander in 2021. Born in Trinidad, she moved to the U.S. at age 12. Now, you know what, man? It makes you want to question all her cases, considering that she planted a pill bottle on Abdul. You know what I mean? And this was a lead detective. You know, she was the head of the squad, so that's just crazy, man. But you two, what do y'all think about Miss Sergeant Rayna Madho, man? Was she a Madho that went rogue, man? You know what I mean? Stealing when she should have been, protecting the store's inventory, because that's what she was sworn to do? Drop them comments and let me know what's on y'all minds. And with that being said, I say shalom.